Hello everyone and welcome back. So in this video, I want to go over the image hover effect. All right, so there's two different ways that you can achieve this. And I'm going to show you exactly what it is. It's basically when you hover over an image, you're going to be able to get a color overlay that kind of pulls the image to the back so you can put a title on top and then amplify whatever you're talking about. So to better illustrate that, I'm going to go ahead and go in here. Now, you can right click on any of your images here, your regular images. Go ahead and go into hover. And that's going to bring up this screen here. You go ahead and click on enable. So go over here to make sure it's on. And now you have a preview over here on the right hand side. Now the other way that you can get into the same exact screen is coming over here and coming into your images. And once you're here, you can choose on image hover and it's already done for you. You just have to change out the image. It's going to bring it to the same screen. So let's go ahead and change the image here. I'm going to choose this image. Confirm, and now I have my hover effect. Now if I want, I can go ahead and hide or delete this. Okay, so I'm no longer working with it, and now I'm going to kind of replace it right here. All right, so let's get rid of these lines. All right, so now if I want to change how that looks, I just right click on that, come back here into hover, and now I have to go and change my title and so forth. So here could be 2017 red jacket, for example. All right, now we have to select an icon, or we can have an image kind of show up here as the hover. Let's go into the icons. I'm gonna come over here and maybe choose this one, confirm, and now we have that icon. All right, so we can also configure the size of our icon by coming over here, choosing what looks best for us. Okay, same thing for the image position, where it's going to show up at, and the text size here too. Okay, now if you want to change the overlay color, just come over here and select on the color. So maybe you want, not a black, but maybe I want the white effect again. We want to make sure we use some transparency. So we want to go into more colors after we choose our color. And then configure the transparency. I'm going to put her at about 60. Okay, so that's how that's going to look. The darker you put it, the more it's going to cover. Okay, the lighter is going to be the opposite effect. Okay, so let's go back here. Okay, and then we're just going to confirm that. Let's just come back into our hover. All right, now after we do that, we're also going to change the font color and the mouse over color if we like. So I want something that works better with this screen. So we're going to do something like so. Okay. All right, so once you do that, then you can confirm again. And now you have your image working for you. So whenever someone hovers over this image, it's going to kind of pop out at them. All right. Thank you, and I'll talk to you next time.